खातून रिजर्वेशन बिल पर लोकसभा में बहस के दरमियान एमआईएम के सदर व हैदराबाद के रुकन पार्लियामेंट बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन अवैसी ने इस पर मुखालिफत का इजहार किया। उन्होंने इस बिल की हिमायत न करने का फैसला किया और खातून रिजर्वेशन बिल में मौजूद खामियों का तस्करा किया। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं इस बिल की मुखालिफत कर रहा हूँ। इस बिल को लेकर यह दलील दी गई है कि इसमें मजीद खवातीन पार्लियामेंट और असम्बली में मुंतखब होकर आएंगी। इसमें ओबीसी और मुस्लिम खवातीन के लिए इंतजाम क्यों नहीं किया गया है? उनकी नुमाइंदगी पार्लियामेंट में बहुत कम है।
In this August House is minimal, very less. Secondly, sir, we know that Muslim women are 7% of the population, but in this Lok Sabha, their representation only 0.7%. We know for a fact that the annual dropout rate of Muslim girls is almost 19%, while it is 12% for other women. Sir, nearly half of the Muslim women are illiterate. This Modi government wants increased representation for Savarna women. They don't want representation for OBC women and for Muslim women, sir. 690 women MPs have been elected till the 17th Lok Sabha, and out of this 690, only 25 have come from the Muslim community. In 57, 62, 91, 99, there has been no Muslim woman got elected. May I tell you, sir, and bring to notice of the August House, that this number has never gone beyond four members. And when I hear that no reservation cannot be given on religious grounds, what is 1950 presidential order? It is a deceive. You are deceiving the Muslim community by denying them this quota in this women reservation, sir. Muslim women face double bind discrimination against being as a woman and as a Muslim also, sir. This government does not want to live in a world where marginalized people get substantial representation. You want a parliament which consists of only bade log. You don't want people from Chote Log to enter in this August House, sir. This bill will deny fair share to OBCs. This bill will close the doors for the Muslim representation in the parliament and in the assembly, sir.